First we did infinity, second far but not infinity, third beyond C, fourth at C, fifth object between C and F. So same procedure, first draw this mirror at its center, mark P. Draw a segment passing through P. Then at what distance I had told take Fs? 3 centimeter. C at further 3. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
At what distance F you will mark? 3.
3 centimeter.
And C?
6 centimeter.
6 from P. Object is between C and F. I'm calling it as AB. Complete this much first. Burma 22-24 hash. This much you all have done.
Yes.
One ray drop parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it will pass through where? Focus. Complete this much again. Completed?
Sure.
Yeah. Then passing through focus will be parallel to principal axis. A1, B1. What is nature of image? Is it real? Real means inverted, magnified or diminished. The size is more, no? So magnified, real, inverted, magnified. lies between beyond C. Right. Draw diagram and write this. Real inverted magnified lies beyond C. Tomorrow, can I take the class early? Siddhant?
Sir, time,
Instead of that 11:30, because maths lecture is not there. So early, will it be possible?
11:30
time.
is okay.
Pardon?
Sir, at what time?
9:30 is okay. 10:30 okay. Tell me what time you all are free.
So 11 is only okay.
अच्छा ठीक है चलो अपना ही
Sir,
टाइम
9:30 is okay because I have class at 11.
so 9:30 is okay for everybody. Nitya,
Sir, I would say 11.
ठीक है
Usual time.
ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है so that there is no disturbance. Usual time is not 11, it is 11:30.
Yes, sir. So
हाँ,
tomorrow
11:30.
11 or 11:30.
11:30 usual time is usual time, no change.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done the diagram? Yes, completed.
Sir.
Sixth, object is at focus. Draw again one surface, concave, central part mark P. At 3 centimeter, again take F. At further 3, write C. Now object is at F. First we'll draw ray parallel to principal axis, it will pass through focus. Complete first ray parallel to principal axis passing through focus. Once you are done, please tell, huh? Siddhant done?
Yes, sir.
See, second one, can I pass through focus? Not possible. No, it is not there only, no distance. So can I pass through P? Can I have ray incident at P? Hello? One is parallel to principal axis. Second, it can pass through focus, but there is no space for focus. So can I have B starting up to P?
Sir.
Even from center of curvature also possible. There are two possibilities.
Sir.
So we can draw passing through center of curvature. It will retrace the same path. Center of curvature will retrace the same path.
Sir.
You can also draw passing through P. I have taken through center of curvature. So this is ray incident, same line, it will get reflected back. So can I say image is real because it is on same side. Real always inverted and highly magnified because we cannot see it, highly magnified. And is formed at infinity. Draw. This is important. Center of curvature wala is important and seventh virtual is important. Draw. Understand and do it. It's very simple topic. Done. Yes, completed.
Sir.
7. Object is between focus F and pole P. Fixed to be asked in the exam. At center mark P. Again at 3 centimeter take F, and at further 3 take C. Draw object. See to it that you are drawing closer to P. It will get better diagram. A, B. First I have drawn parallel to principal axis, will pass through focus. Of center remains undeviated. Can you see this diverging? These two are diverging, moving away. Can you see?
Sir.
Then produce it backward by dotted line. This both rays produce backward. Wherever they meet, that will be your virtual image. A1, B1. Image is virtual, comma erect, comma magnified on other side of object. Tomorrow's test, you all are aware?
Yes, sir.
I have sent a question bank also. Revise that only, because from that only I
For
will give.
us it is light chapter, no?
Only for NES it is live.
Sir. Basically, ray diagrams are going to be asked, no?
Whatever I complete till today. If I complete definition, even that will be asked. Completed?
Sir.
Okay. So concave mirror, we have completed 7 ray diagram. One was infinity, other was far but not infinity, then beyond, C, between C and F, at F, between F and pole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Any doubt in these diagrams?
No.
No. Shall I clear this now? Next one, ray diagram for convex mirror. Only 2 ray diagram it has. One is object at infinity, other is object anywhere but not at infinity. Only 2 ray diagram we have. First one, object is at infinity. Concave mirror, which is silvery from outside. So just draw this surface again. Mark P. At 3 centimeter take F, another 3 centimeter take C. Object is at infinity, so rays are parallel to principal axis. Rays are parallel to principal axis. After reflection, it will pass through focus. After reflection, it will pass through focus. So just extend this by dotted line. Extend it by dotted line. Image is virtual on other side of object. It is highly diminished to a point and formed at focus. Will I clear it?
Sir.
So first one was object at infinity. Second is object at any other point other than infinity, any point. Second, object at any point. Silver it from the side towards center. At central part, mark P. Take object anywhere. Here F at 3 and C at further 3. Name the object AB. Ray parallel to principal axis will appear to pass through focus. Right judgment. Yes. Draw first one. Complete till this. Done till this. Then passing through center of curvature will retrace the same path. Yes, you draw it dotted afterwards. After light line you draw and make it dotted. So this is the image A1, B1. Image is virtual. Erect. Erect, sometimes they also write upright. Erect or upright meaning is same. On other side of object. It is always diminished. So whenever diminished virtual image comes, only diminished, then always convex mirror can be magnified, can be diminished. Virtual. Virtual is concave mirror, always magnified. Convex mirror, virtual image is always diminished. All ray diagram we have completed. Numericals also you have.
Our physics ma'am was saying that she will ask ray diagrams and numericals in exam. So after school reopens, I'll confirm with her.
Because most of the schools now they have deleted numerical.
Sir, you are told.
But we'll do, hardly 14 are there. If your teacher is telling it is there, we'll do, don't worry. Done this ray diagram?
Sir.
Okay. Next one. State, sign, convention for measurement. In our XY axis, left side what you take? Left is positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative, correct. Right is positive. Up is what? Positive or negative?
Positive.
And lower?
Negative.
Same sequence will follow here. So we use Cartesian, means coordinate system, sign convention as follows. First one, all distances are measured from the pole of mirror. All distances are measured from the pole of mirror, which is taken as origin. From the pole of mirror, which is taken as origin. Right, first point. All distance are measured from pole of mirror, which is taken as origin. Second one, the distances measured along the principal axis in the direction of incident light is taken as positive. Complete this, then I will clear the space to write. The distance measured along the principal axis in the direction of incident light is taken as positive. While opposite to incident light is taken as negative. Third one. Only three are there. The distances above principal axis is taken as positive, and below is taken as negative. Written? Yes, written. Hello.
Writing the second point.
Second point. Third completed. You are still writing second point only.
Sir, actually in between I got disconnected. Sir.
Yes, Sudan done.
Yes, sir.
Brajesh. Brajesh, you've done. Abhishek done. Abhishek.
Yes, sir.
Nitya.
Sir.
Written all.
Sir, only the second one was remaining.
Are total there are 3 points. So third you wrote first and then you wrote second.
Actually, I got disconnected, so I couldn't see the second one clearly.
So now to it was written the second one after getting connected you didn't saw.
Sir.
When once you got connected then you didn't saw. First point you have written. First, second and then third you should write now, or first, third, second you will write. Written?
Sir,
Are what? Say no, sir, what? Say something.
written.
But what you have written? First, third, second, or first, second, third in order you have written?
I didn't write in order.
No, I don't understand. You people have not been taught how to write.
But it was not clear for me. I will
But you
write
should
it
then
properly.
speak out, no? Can I see that it is clear or not clear? If it is not clear, you will speak or not. Tell me.
I can write again.
In exam again, it will happen that same thing, you will write something mismatched. First point you have written.
But I've written everything.
You have written everything. Now only you told I didn't wrote in order.
Sir, but I have written everything.
Can you understand simple logic? After first, you should write second. Have you written that way?
Sir.
After first, you have written second. Or first you have written first, then you have written third, then you have written second. How you have done?
Order.
What I was asking earlier. You told I wrote, but I didn't wrote in order.
Sir, I have written in order now.
No, it's really, I don't understand throughout the year how you people were communicating. Communicate well. Communication is first priority in this offline lectures, online lectures. If you don't communicate properly, neither you are seeing me nor I am seeing you. So we'll assume that everything is going right. Next. Very important. I think every school may ask. Focal length F is R by 2. R means radius. Huh? So focal length, they will ask you as fill in the blanks is dash times R. How many times R? How many times R? This focal length is how many times R?
Four times.
This is 2 times. 1 upon 2 is called 2 times.
Half.
Half times radius. Now same thing, if paper is difficult they want to make, then they will make diameter. Can you tell me radius is how many times diameter?
2 times.
Who is this?
D is equals to R upon 2.
No, who is this? Who is this speaking?
Sorry, D is equals to R into 2.
Abhishek, na?
Yes.
Abhishek, are you dreaming?
No, sir.
So
D is
radius.
equals to R into 2.
Oh. So what will be R if diameter is double the radius? What is R? D by 2.
D upon 2.
So if they want to check your concept, they will say F equals to dash into diameter. So it is 1 by 4 into diameter. Clear? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now 1 upon F is 1 upon U, V plus 1 upon U. This is called as mirror formula. Here, what is F? F means what? What is F? F is what?
Focal length.
Focal length. U is what? Object distance. And V is image distance. You have to interact. If I ask, anybody can answer. Don't wait that sir will say somebody's name and then I will answer. All of you can answer simultaneous words. Right. Write properly. U is object distance, V is image distance, F is focal length.
Sir, what is V?
V is image distance. V is called image distance. U is object distance, V is image distance, F is focal length. Can I clear? Yes, can I clear this?
Yes.
Okay. Two more lines, then we'll stop. Huh? For concave mirror. If this is sphere, and this way if I shade it, then it is called concave mirror. This way if I shade it is called concave mirror, correct? Correct now?
Yes, sir.
So for concave mirror, focal length is taken as negative. Convention, focal length is taken as negative. Very, very important convention. Focal length is taken as negative. See, if this is lens, where we place object every time on the left side or not? We place the object every time on the left side, okay? So for this surface, where is the center? Can you tell, left side or right side? With comparison to this, where is the center? Left or right? This is left or right?
Left.
Left means always negative. That's why focal length in concave mirror is taken as negative. Object distance is also negative because object is always on left side, is also negative. Third one, image distance. What should be image distance? Can be positive, can be negative, depending upon where it is formed. If it is on the left hand side, then negative, virtual right hand side, so positive. So image distance can be positive or negative. Write 3 points. Focal length always negative, object always negative. But image can be positive, can be negative. For numerical, this is the only catch point which you have to remember. Can I clear?
Sir.
Hmm. Okay. Next, write for convex mirror. See, this is spherical surface. This way is convex mirror. So to get inner side is shaded. So its center, if you see, it will, this side we take focus, right side. So it is taken always positive. Remember that. Focal length for concave negative, convex positive, convex positive, convex positive. Object distance always negative. Image is always virtual in convex mirror. So image distance is always positive because it is always virtual. Virtual means on other side. Other side means object on left, but image is on the right. So image distance is always positive. Right now. Today we'll stop here. Very important convention. If you know convention, numerical we can do very easily and you can score full mark also. This test in the school will be of how many marks?
25.
25. And which date it is?
17th.
Just can you do one favor, ask perfectly the portion so that we'll work harder to get full mark. Just ask the portion with your teacher properly.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye.
Done? Okay. Can I clear it now?
Sir.
So 1 minute.
Okay. Nita, you have done?
Sir.
Okay. Those who have completed, they can leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye. Take care. Bye. Siddhant, can I clear, beta?
So 1 minute. Yes, sir.
See, right now you are the only student who is studying, which I saw in the